In this video, I'll guide you through how to sort MS Project by task number. Even though the steps are very simple, I'll walk through them slowly and clearly so you understand not just what to click, but why it works and how you can use it in your day-to-day planning. First, make sure you have your project open and you're on your planner or main task view. This is the area where you can see all your tasks listed out, usually with their names, start and end dates, and other details. If you're not already there, navigate back to your planner so you can see your full task list. Having that overview in front of you is important because it lets you immediately see the effect of any sorting or grouping changes you make. Now look towards the top of the interface for the option labeled Group By. In many layouts, this is near the upper right or part of the toolbar that controls how your tasks are displayed. The Group By control is what lets you change how tasks are organized visually without changing the underlying data. That means you're not editing the tasks themselves, you're just changing how they're arranged on your screen. Click on Group By. When you do, you'll see a list of options you can group your tasks by. One of the most common and useful choices is due date. Go ahead and select due date from that list. Once you click it, your tasks will reorganize and you should now see them grouped according to when they're due. At first, this might feel like it's not directly related to task numbers, but it's helpful to understand. Grouping by due date lets you quickly see which tasks are due soon and which ones are further out. Within each due date group, you'll still see the individual task entries along with their task numbers. This makes it much easier to scan through your schedule and find tasks in a logical order. If you're aiming to focus on task numbers, use this grouped view to visually confirm the sequence of tasks inside each due date section. Task numbers typically reflect the order of tasks in your plan, so by grouping by due date, you can see how that numbering aligns with your deadlines. For example, you might notice that earlier numbered tasks are generally due sooner, and higher numbered tasks fall later on your timeline. A useful tip here is to take a moment to scroll through each group and check that the tasks look like they're in a sensible order for your project. If you see something that doesn't fit your expectations, this is your chance to spot it quickly and make adjustments to your plan. Grouping by due date is a simple way to review your project's structure without digging through complicated menus. Whenever you want to go back to your original view, you can return to the same group by control and choose a different option or clear the grouping. Your task numbers and task data remain the same, only the way they're displayed changes. That's all there is to it. By going to your planner, clicking Group By and choosing due date, you can reorganize your tasks in a way that makes it easier to understand how task numbers line up with your schedule.